With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, in this question given, gaseous system is placed with pressure T1, volume V1 and temperature T1. It has undergone thermodynamic change where temperature is remaining constant. So in this question we have to find out the a thermodynamic change when the temperature is remains constant. Then this is a which type of a process. So we have to given 4 options: adiabatic process, isothermal process, isobaric process, isochoric process. So first option we have to given a adiabatic process. So in a adiabatic process the heat is remain constant. In a adiabatic process, a process in which the heat is remain constant. In a adiabatic process, heat is remain constant. Heat remains constant. So in case of a adiabatic, when the heat is remain constant, heat is represented Q, right? So in this case, in adiabatic case, dQ, change in heat, that is equals to 0 because heat is remain constant. In a isothermal process is a process in which temperature remains constant. So in isothermal process, temperature is remain constant. Isothermal process, temperature is remains constant. Isothermal process, temperature is remain constant. Temperature remains constant. Temperature remains constant. So the isothermal process is a process in which temperature is remain constant. So in case of a isothermal process, the change in temperature dT, that is always equals to 0. And in a isobaric process, a process in which pressure is remain constant. Isobaric process is a process in which pressure is remain constant. Pressure remains constant. So in case of a isobaric process, it is that type of process in which pressure is remain constant. So in isobaric process, the change in pressure dP, that is always equals to 0. And in isochoric process, in case of a isochoric process, the volume is remain constant. In case of isochoric process, the volume is remain constant. Isochoric process, volume remains constant. So in case of a isochoric process, the volume is a constant and the change in volume dV, that is equals to 0. But in this question, we have to find out the process in which the temperature is remains constant. So when the temperature is remains constant, in case of a isothermal process, when the temperature remains constant, then this type of process is known as a isothermal process. So the which option is the correct? Option number 2 is the correct, isothermal process. So I hope this answered your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.